class BCS third semester, subject Unix operating system, paper number CS 302T, unit number 1. First of all, we are going to see the unit number 1. Here we are starting the Unix operating system. According to the syllabus, first of all, we want to overview the Unix operating system. Multics. The full form of Multics is Multiplexed Information and Computing Services. Was simplified and was called as UNICS, UNIS. The full form of UNIS is Uniplexed Information Computing Systems, which is now spelled as UNIX, Unix, and that is the Unix operating system. First of all, we are going to see the definition of Unix operating system. The Unix operating system is multi-user operating system that allows the number of users to use the system simultaneously. Simultaneously is indicating that more than one user use that one system concurrently, simultaneously. The definition of an operating system is: operating system is a program that interface between the user of a computer and computer hardware. This is the definition of an operating system. When we see the definition of an operating system, that time we want to also see that the various types of operating system. The various types of operating systems are as single user operating system and multi-user operating system. These are the two types of operating system. Single user operating system is further divided into two types. The first one is a single user, single tasking operating system. The name of the operating system of this type is MS-DOS. Second one is single user multitasking operating system. Name of this type of operating system is MS Windows. Now, the second type of operating system is multi-user operating system. Means more than one user use that system simultaneously. That is the multi-user operating system, and the Unix is the first multi-user operating system. Now, we are going to see the history of Unix operating system. Before starting the history of Unix operating system, theoretical part notes according to your syllabus, that is the unit number 1. All that theoretical notes are available on website. The name of the website is www.doc.ic.uk/till wjk/Unix intro. This is the website, and here all the theoretical notes are available. Now we are going to see the history of Unix operating system. In 1969, Ken Thompson designed the Unix operating system at Bell Laboratories. Bell Laboratory is available at Berkeley. Unix is the first loaded on a microcomputer. Name of that microcomputer is PDP-7. After that one, when new microcomputer DEC PDP-11, which is the faster than the PDP-7, then the entire work was shifted on the new computer. The name Unix was given to the entire project on the basis of multics, that is multiplexed information and computing services. Unix operating system was written in assembly language. You are knowing that in 1971 the scientist Ganesh developed the C language. And you are knowing that the C language is the which type of language? It is a middle language. Means you can write the program in C in high level as well as low level, that is in assembly language too. That's why all the codes which one are already written in assembly language, all that Unix code are shifted or the rewritten in the C language in 1973. Unix operating system is the first operating system which one was written in high level language, that is the C language. 95% code of the Unix kernel is written in C and only the 5% code of Unix operating system are written in assembly language. Now we are going to see the various versions, that is various distributions of the Unix operating system. Unix operating system was designed at the Bell Labs. The first version of the Unix operating system is AT&T Unix operating system, which one was developed in Bell Labs. The full form of AT&T is American Telephone and Telegraph. This is the first operating system which was developed in Bell Labs. Then the second version of the Unix operating system is the agreement between AT&T and Microsoft. Then the new Unix was introduced in market, that is the Microsoft Unix. The next one version of the Unix operating system is SCO Unix. Agreement between SCO, Santa Cruz Operation, and AT&T, that type of the Unix is called as a SCO Unix. Then the next version of the Unix operating system, which one was mostly used on 286 microcomputers or more than it, that is 286, 386, 486, Pentium, so on. That is the Sun Unix. These are what? These are the distributions or the various versions of the Unix operating system. Now we are going to see basic requirements for installation of the Unix operating system. Once you have the any version of the Unix operating system, that one may be the SCO Unix or maybe the Sun Unix, you can install it on your computer. Then what are the basic requirements for installing the Unix operating system on computer? You must have 16-bit microprocessor. This is the basic requirement. The processor must be 286 or above. Then you must have at least 3 MB RAM and you must have at least 80 MB hard disk space. Then you can install the Unix operating system on your computer. These are what? These are the basic requirements for installing the Unix operating system on